Okay, how to make a GIF from a movie trailer. Right, I've selected a trailer I'd like to make a GIF of. So how do I do it? Well, this is screen to GIF. I'm on now, screen2gif.com. So I'm going to download that, a portable version from here. I don't know if I pressed it yet, press that. Okay, it's downloaded to here, it's in documents, and just click on. And here it is. It's the recorder I need, so click on that, and here it is, this section. You can see it as I move it around. Maybe hard to see because it's transparent in the center. You can just see the borders, and this below, record and stop. So let's go and get to the video that I selected on another browser. Here. Okay, I'm on YouTube, and there's my screen to GIF there. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is get the dimensions right. It's going to tape everything in that transparent section. So I'm moving that width in now, as you can see, to something like that. Now what I found last time was the height's not so easy. It's getting it right. That merely moves it down. It's getting this spot on. It's really awkward. Okay, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to pause it for a second while I get the dimension. Okay, so the width is easy to do. The height, I found it. You've got to scroll along, and then as soon as you see the cursor go to that, you can do the height. So I'm going to try and move it up, because I don't want it to include things from YouTube like the volume and stuff like that. So I'll show you again. When you see that icon, you can move down. And do that again. To there. So that should be perfect. So, as I said before, there's record and stop. So I'm going to press this first, and then record, and press play, and that's recording.
Replicants are the future, but I can only make so many. I have the lock, and he has the key. I think you found it.
That's not possible. If this gets out, we've bought ourselves a war.
You're a cop. I did your job once. not know what pain is yet. You will learn. Bring it to me.
This breaks the world.
Okay, I think that'll do. I'll stop it there. Or should I continue? Stop it now. Okay, I've stopped the editor.
The future of this species
And when you stop,
is finally unearthed.
it takes about a minute for it to be. So let's delete away. Let's delete this tab. Ah, there's my editor now. I'm just deleting all the browsers and I just want that. Okay, so down here would be all the timeline, is the timeline, and there's all the images. 1211, total count 1211. Playback tab, and play. Now it'll take me through all the images. Pretty certain I know the bit I like. It's a few bits. I'm going to pause it till I get to the section I like. Okay, got to a section that I like, that I'm thinking of making a GIF from, and that was at the 687th frame. So what I need to do, click that on. I'm going to go to edit and I want to delete all the previous. Are you sure you want to delete? It will delete 686 frames, yes. Okay, so now I'm going to delete. I'll pause that. Okay, so that now becomes the first frame. So let's play this. Yeah, it looks quite nice. And stop. And oops, pause. Right, I want to go back. Previous. And get to the last frame, him in the car. So, click on that and edit, delete all next. Are you sure you want to delete 506 frames? Yes, I do. Okay, so I've deleted all the other frames and I've got a nice little moving timeline now. Let's play this. Playback tab and play. Okay, so that's 1, 8, 9, 10. I think that was something like 16 frames. Let's pause that. 16 frames. That'll do it. That's quite a nice moving image. So let's save that. Am I still running? Yes, I am. So save that file. Save as. I set up a document. And it was called Demo 4 on my desktop. It's just there underneath the editor. So save, and the encoder comes up. Okay, this should take a minute or two. completed. Okay, so we'll delete away, completed. Let's click on the folder, and there it is. Item type GIF file, date, dimensions and size of the folder. I'll click on that and we'll see how it looks. And here it is. Yeah, it looks nice. It's lost some of its colours, as it will. It's a GIF. It wouldn't have as many colours as a JPEG, so it will fade. That's to be expected. So it looks great. So you can upload that where you want. I'll pause for a minute and go on Twitter. Just get. Okay, I'm on Twitter and it should be no problem uploading an image. You don't click on a GIF bit because that's their own collection of GIFs. You would click on uploading image, which would take you to your own documents. That's so I want demo 3. No, that wasn't it. It was in my desktop and it was there. So I'm going to click on that, open, and there it is. Tweet. Okay, that took a minute or two to upload, and there it is. I've uploaded an individual GIF I made from a movie trailer. Now, bearing in mind that was only 16 frames. Much more, I mean about 40 or so, and it probably wouldn't work. The file size would be too heavy. So probably only work anything up to say 20, 25, maybe 30, something like that. That's how you can make your own GIF. And it's pretty good, that one.